have always loved all things hair. I was Team Relaxer for many years. As I got older, I started to stray away from that. I wanted to go 100% natural. I attempted transitioning many times and failed. I went right back to the relaxers because things was getting too real and unmanageable and I just didn't have the time, child. So I went right back to what I knew and what I was used to, which is crazy because this is my own hair that I'm talking about. One day, I decided to go fully through with my natural hair journey. No doubling back, no spinning the block on them relaxers. And it was one of the best decisions I have ever made. Fast forward 10 plus years later, I still stand on that. I'm still happy about it, and my hair is too. I tried many products along my journey. There were some that I liked and some that I didn't. All I will say is that none of them would hit like the stuff I will whip up in my kitchen. All natural ingredients combined with love and good intentions. How could I ever go wrong there? Oh, okay. I said that to say that I want to share that with you. I want you to embrace your hair no matter what part of the journey you are on. I want you to embrace all that is you, and I have the products that will help you do just that. Crowned Essentials is an all-natural hair care line crafted to embrace and nourish your curls. Our products are carefully formulated to enhance natural textures, promote healthy hair growth, and provide exceptional moisture and shine. Unlock the true potential of your natural hair with our transformative hair care products. We have hair growth oils, leave-ins, shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, hair moisturizers, and wait, it gets better. We even have skincare, body butters, body scrubs, body oils. Take a break, pamper yourself, and recharge your soul. Crowned Essentials by Yanni.com. Order today.